Yo, what is going on, guys? Kostulas here. Today, I have a very special video for you. I want to show you one of the most lucrative social media advertising clients that you could possibly get. I'm going to explain to you why in this video. Then I'm going to show you step by step in this video how you can pick up your own real estate agency as well. Not just a real estate client. I'm going to show you how to become in charge of the entire marketing agency so that you could have an opportunity to pick up a few different real estate clients. Having the agency is way better than just having a client or two, because you literally get an opportunity to pitch your services to every single real estate agent that is in the agency. And just after having my own personal experience talking to the business owner of the real estate agency, I had to learn that I'm not stepping on anybody's toes if I'm running ads, to try to capture leads and whatnot. Because in the real estate game, if one of his agents wins, the whole place wins, I guess. So I had a meeting with the broker, and what he told me was that it's totally cool if I want to capture the leads for him so he can distribute it out to the agency, and also I can capture leads for each individual agent as well. Now, why is this relevant? Because of dollar signs, guys. Dollar signs, people. Like, you could charge the agency itself $2,000 a month. And that's just the agency. You can then charge each client individually somewhere between, 1,500 to 3,000. And this is all possible and this is all real due to the long-term value of one happy, satisfied person. Because you also have to factor in the possibility of a referral, and those seem to happen a lot. So in this video that you guys are going to watch today, I'm going to bring you into my computer and I'm going to show you literally how all this happens and how you can get started and try to pick up your real estate agency today. Yo, what is going on, guys? Let's dive right into it. Okay, so why is the real estate niche so lucrative? Let's cut right to the chase. The long-term value of one happy real estate client is $4,000 to $50,000 or much higher. Now, this is how much money the real estate agent can make from the sale of a house. It completely varies based on the size of the house, the location of the house, but for the most part, if you can deliver one client for them, they'll love you. They'll keep you forever. It's just a matter of you understanding how to collect the leads for them and then having a system in place to then convert these leads into meetings, into one-on-one sit downs with the real estate agent so that they can, make a relationship with the person and, sign them up as a client. So keep that in mind, guys. Let's go into the next slide. Okay, so what do you have to do first? You have to set up a meeting with the real estate broker or owner. Now, this is what I recommend that you do, only because, this is what I currently have had a situation where I just did. I signed up a real estate agency where I'm in charge of the marketing for a month. I'm doing a trial month for him. I'm going to get into, the trial months and whatnot later in this presentation. But for the most part, you guys know the real estate agent that I've been working with for the past couple months. His name is Ruben. Ruben introduced me to the owner, the broker of the whole entire agency. So now I'm collecting leads for the whole agency on top of each individual agent that decides to work with me. So you guys can see what kind of position that I've put myself in this past month, and the amount of money that I can be making in the next month or two can be upwards of $5,000 to $10,000 a month from just real estate alone. And that's just the one source of passive income from social media advertising. So the goal for you, honestly, would be to like just hit up every real estate um, agency that is, in your town, and when you're on the phone with the gatekeeper or the person who like the gatekeeper is the person who's like sitting at the desk, the receptionist, whatever. This is what you got to do. You got to call them and ask them if the broker is there, if the person who is in charge of the whole thing is there. And then once you can get a meeting set up or once you can get the attention of this person, you need to be able to explain the services. Don't worry, I've already done this for you. So basically, this is the exact services that I provide for my clients to deliver the amazing results so that they keep paying me on a consistent basis. So obviously, you guys can't do the drone videos. That's subservice below number 9. But unless you have a drone, I highly recommend getting a drone if you want to get into the whole real estate advertising niche. But you don't need it. All you need is your cell phone. All you need is a camera with a 1080p resolution, so that you can just take really nice videos and whatnot. I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of the house listing video that I did yesterday. Make sure you guys stay to the end of this video. That's the last thing I'm going to be showing you. I'm just letting you know. But so basically, when the person, if you can, if you can get in the position where you have the broker on the phone, you need to understand that he's going to think like he's going to be coming across as like on guard. Like he's going to be like, what's going on? What's this kid trying to like, sell me, So basically what you have to be able to say is you need to bring his guard down. You need to bring his guard down. It's extremely important. And you can do that by simply saying like, I can help you for free. I have some suggestions that I can do for you. Now, you can explain the services. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to explain the services that I've, listed out for you guys right here. So Facebook account management, Facebook and Instagram commercial marketing, Facebook ad creation. Now, tell him that you can do all of this for him absolutely for free. Absolutely for free. Because what will happen is you will create so much trust and rapport with him, you'll get the opportunity to be in a situation in a month or two from now to make a substantial amount of money. Because if you can get the broker, if you can get this person, the person who's in charge of the entire place and who is handling the leads for all of the agents, like if you can get him, you have an opportunity to, be completely financially free in just a couple of months. You just need to be patient, wait it out, and show them your value first. If you can get them what you guys are seeing right here on the screen, the amount of value that you bring to him and to these real estate agents is unbelievable. People are selling courses on what I'm teaching you right now in this video, and they are charging you, upwards of thousands, $2,000, $3,000, but I'm literally willing to give you guys this stuff absolutely free because I know that in the future the money will come back to me, whether it's through you guys watching my YouTube channel or maybe having a coaching call with me or setting up like a mentorship program or whatever. But just understand, like, I'm giving you guys stuff that I've paid thousands of my own dollars for. So literally get on the phone, explain the services, and if you guys see number 11, there's a free script in the description below. So if you guys look on my link tree in that description below, in the comment box, I wrote a script for you guys so that if you can get a meeting with the broker, you can go in there and have that script on your phone so that you can show him everything that you can do for him, which is everything right here, and that so he won't get lost and so you won't get lost, and so that all you can focus on is like good
body language and just convincing him that you can really, really help him. So what you have to do is set up a trial month. And now once you have them set up for a trial month or a free trial, I recommend the free trial, but I was lucky enough to get him for a trial month because I was in a position where I wasn't like trying to cold call him. Like I was already like doing him a solid. I was just making him drone shots initially because Ruben just, asked me if I can do his friend a favor. I didn't realize his friend would be the broker of the agency. So I already had that trust rapport with him. I just made him really nice drone shots that he asked for. So I was able to get him to uh, do a trial month with me. And, he's giving me 400 just to try it out. And then um, $20 per lead that I get. So if I can get 30 leads like I did for Ruben in this video that you guys can see in the description down below, I show you guys how I got 30 real estate leads using Facebook advertising. So I have a whole other video presentation for you guys. It's like 40 minutes long. Make sure you guys watch that video. You guys should take notes. Um, this 1000% should be on my social media advertising course. I might put it there in the future. I might not. I don't know. But for now, like take advantage of what I have up there because this is literally exactly how I got Ruben 30 leads. 30 leads. So do the math. What's 30 times 20? I'm not that good at math. I'm gonna ask Siri. Siri, what's 30 times 20? That's 600. So I'm getting 400 no matter what, just for setting up the commercials and whatnot. If I can get 30 leads, that's another 600 in my pocket. So that's $1,000 trial month. But it's whatever. I don't really care. I can get $100 for this trial month. Like it doesn't matter. It's just the trial month. He's not a client yet. I want to get him as a client so badly, and all I got to do is deliver on this exact video where I show you guys how I got this guy results. I just got to duplicate the same thing for him. So make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate it. Before I let you guys go, I want to show you a little bit of this listing video that I made. This is how I'm really gonna get way more real estate clients because now I have three. No. Right now I have two. I got Ruben and I got my man Jeff. But I want to make her number 4 technically because the broker, the owner, kind of counts as 1. So I want her to be the 4th. So I'm gonna give you guys an idea. I'm just gonna play like 10, 15 seconds of this, but I want you guys to see what type of work I'm actually doing for these real estate agents. And I want to show you like this isn't fucking bullshit at all. Like I'm actually doing this. Like I literally did this yesterday. So, you guys can watch a little bit of it.
Welcome to 35 Topaz Drive in Ronkonkoma. I'm Jennifer Calamia with Unique Home Sales of Long Island. I'm excited to announce this beautiful and expanded high ranch. It's a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's located on a quaint, quiet block in Sachem School District. Come on in and we'll check it out.
Okay. Real simple. It's kind of cool. Like, I really enjoyed doing this yesterday. Like, I made a really cool little, like, house listing. Now, I have the exact ads that I'm going to run to get this house listing the best results possible to get, leads and whatnot. So all I got to do is capture some leads for my for this house right here. I'm going to target people who live in this area on the Facebook advertising business manager. I don't know if you guys have been in the business manager before. This might be your first time, so you know what? I might as well just show you guys. Okay, so we're going to go to the ads manager, and then I want to show you how I would go about getting these leads. So I would set up my ad through a lead generation form. All right, lead generation's fine. Because what's awesome about a lead generation form is it's basically like your own personal landing page that Facebook makes for you. And you guys all know, like, when you go on Facebook and you like sign up for something, you can like autofill. You guys can autofill all the information really quick. So you can get someone who's interested, who, you know, wants to put in their information extremely quick, because the second they put in the second like they click on the submit or like the apply now on the ad, like they can automatically send their information, like their information autofills. So it's really simple to get a bunch of leads for really not that much money. So um if you guys want the targeting and you really want me to show you, like, it's going to take me a while to set up, so I'm just going to put in the link down below a free coaching call with me. If you're really serious about this, you guys should schedule a free call with me. Okay, so I'll show you guys exactly how to set up the Facebook ad to capture these leads. And if you really want to see an in-depth presentation about that, I literally go in depth about it in this video here. So I don't even need to show you guys in this video. You guys can go watch this one from scratch. I'll show you guys ClickFunnels. I'll show you guys the Facebook ads page. Like, I really go in depth. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys tomorrow.